Hey there. So this is the elaborate section of Unit 3, Task 1. This is a graded assignment. So please do this in the graded work folder called Things to Turn In instead of your Task 3 student worksheet. You can, however, do it in there. Just please copy and paste it into the other assignment as well, so I don't have to go looking for it. I would really, really, really appreciate that. Um, However, I mean, you can do it here and then go there too. That would be okay. But as long as you have it in both places or in that one place, that would be helpful. Okay, so what you're going to do is, did you notice the deer in the first image that is no longer in the second image? The answer is yes. We all noticed that because you guys are awesome. So think about the deceased deer. Think about the deer is not there because it's decomposed. And in that process of decomposing, it has turned into fungi and bacteria, has broken down that organism into smaller byproducts. All right. So, what has created those byproducts is the molecules called amino acids. So the decomposers break the molecules apart, they separate that bond, and they release even smaller molecules like nitrogen into the soil. Okay, so this is great because all plants need nitrogen to grow. So, but it needs to be in the right format. Okay, so what you're going to do is just like we did with our practice, you're going to tell me, is this a physical change? Is this a chemical change? All the information you need is right here. Okay, the reactants are ammonia and oxygen. So those are the air and the ammonia took that body of the deer and it started breaking it down, breaking it down, breaking it down. Okay. Then the products of the end product would be hydroxylamine. I don't know how to say that. And then water. Okay, so that broke that down and then it kind of disintegrated basically, except for the bones. Bones don't do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this data information and you're going to tell me, is it physical or chemical? Now, we already know the answer to this if you were paying attention, okay, based on the product. Is the product the same as the reactant? Yes or no? That's going to tell you which one of these is the answer. You're going to use that information from the explain part that we did. That's your evidence. Okay. So when you tell me it is blah, 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 because of in the explain section, we learned that, okay, so this is your CER. This is your claim, your evidence, and your reasoning. Okay, so I'm grading it like a CER. So you can't just answer the question, is it physical or chemical, and expect to get a good grade. That's not how it works. Okay? So don't think that that's how it works. So in your student guide and in your task to turn in, you're going to look at the before and after picture. You're going to think about the deer, the poor little deer that is no longer there. Okay? You're going to analyze the data table. All right. And you're going to tell me individually because I need to know that you understand this concept. All right. You're going to tell me, is this physical or chemical and why using evidence from your data table and evidence from our activity in the explain section and your reasoning. All right. Please do that in the Unit 3 task turn-ins here. Write your answer here. Okay. If you need to go back to your worksheet, it's right here with a PowerPoint. Okay? So I would love it very much if you wrote that answer here. Thank you.